This is one of our quick fix videos on the subject of how to repair a focusing ring rubber grip like this. We discovered that there's a problem with this. What is it? That the rubber grip has come off and is torn as well, so it's not in one piece. So we want to quickly fix this. It's a short video giving you some tips and tricks. Here's the lens by itself. This is the rubber grip. The plan of action is to do it in a totally non-destructive way. So instead of gluing this to the metal, we want to glue this to something that then sticks to the metal using a sticky tape. Probably the best type of sticky tape for this kind of thing is something that's also rubberized, like this kind of tape. It's a vinyl tape. Not only sticks to other things, but it sticks to itself very well. So that's an indication of how it's going to bond to this, and you can remove it and then wipe some alcohol if it doesn't work out. So it's totally non-destructive. So plan number one is get this totally dry and clean. Take it to the kitchen sink with dishwashing liquid and wash it and dry it with a hairdryer, cold setting. Now it's ready to go. What we're going to do is to put this tape from one side to the other side, then use contact adhesive such as this one from the hardware store to glue this to the tape edge to edge. That's the plan. So first things first, I'll go away and get this washed and come back.
A few minutes later.
Thanks for waiting. The next action is to cut this tape exactly the right length for that. So we measure that, we cut the tape exactly the right length. That's almost exactly 8 centimeters or 80 millimeters. I'll go and cut this and come back. The tape is cut on the cutting board, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 millimeter short of one side, so it fits nicely without going over the edges. This is rubberized anyway, so this comes off quite easily. So the question is, where should we put it? This groove cannot be the edge of the rubberized grip, because otherwise it goes into the groove. So it has to be some part of the metal which goes from one side to the other side. We can't have it over that groove either, because again it creates a depression. So we want the center to be exactly here, right? Over here. So we put the center of this to the approximate center of that. Absolute precision is not required, because we have plenty of tape to cover our joint. Okay, we go to the other side, just a little bit back from that edge. Okay. Right, precise. Over there, okay. Tape is good. Next thing, the glue. This glue needs to be shaken or stirred, so we'll just shake it a little bit. Now I'm going to use the glue box itself to create a pool. So I'm going to create a pool of glue and then use a paintbrush to paint it accurately. You need a stiff paintbrush of the kind that you use for acrylic paint, not the type used for watercolor, because you want to paint this on. And this is the consistency of honey. So I'm going to create a pool over here like this. So I have easy access to it. Okay, that's good enough. So from the approximate center of this, which I'm going to establish with the glue itself, okay, I'm going to go 1 centimeter either side, and that's all that's required. 1 centimeter either side. And since I'm right-handed, do the other side as well. Okay, this one is done. As simple as that. Now it's time for the rubber grip. Do the same thing. Now I'll use this as a base to paint about 1 centimeter from the edge without going over the edge itself. A little bit more doesn't hurt, but not much more. I'm trying to avoid going over the very edge, otherwise it will ooze out of that joint and that will not be very good. So that's done. Now the other side. You can already feel how grippy it is. So that's done, and this paintbrush is ruined. Let this completely dry for approximately 10 minutes. So I'll see you in, say, 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes, maybe a little more, and the glue is dry, and we're going to stick this on. So I'm going to put this edge on the approximate center and align it well. Make sure that on the other side goes along a straight line, and therefore it's going to be square off that edge, and then press it in. Instantly bonds. Then go right around. Confirms that it was straight. All the way to the other side. And a slight stretch. Don't want any gaps. Align all these grooves precisely. Bit of stretch and press hard. Press hard. Press hard. Press hard. Okay. It's glued together. I already can't see. Oh, here we go. I need to press that and hold it until it bonds perfectly. Another recommendation is, if you prefer, you can tap it, but I'm not going to tap it. Pressing hard is easier. Okay, it's already very hard to see where the joint was. Where was it? Can't tell. It's finished. Done. Okay, quick fix. Now, if you have another problem where this looks dusty, it's not dust. It's the rubber gradually deteriorating. If that's the case, use another sacrificial brush and use this kind of thing that's used for the car's dashboard for rejuvenating the plastic. Get one of these and don't spray it. Spray on something else and then brush it into this area and then wipe it off with microfiber and let it dry. That'll rejuvenate the plastic. It'll be nice, shiny black. That's another tip. Thank you very much.